At Century Motors, we specialize in finding the cars that you love. Reliable, used vehicles without all the complicated tech of today. We know our customers want what they're used to, and that's exactly what we deliver.
Every car at our dealership goes through a meticulous inspection. We upload over 100 photos plus a video walkthrough so you know exactly what you're getting, whether you're buying in person or through eBay Motors. With our in-house service center, 5 ASC certified mechanic, 9 lifts, a Ferrari certified painter, we're serious about quality.
At Century Motors, you're not just buying a car, you're buying from a family. Transparent pricing, no pressure sales, and a team that's here for you from transport to title.
Call us anytime. We're here to make sure your car buying experience is as smooth as possible.